got a butt 3 feet wide on it, overweight, but man, this horse is beautiful, thick, built great. I love this conformation. So I just watched Danny ride this horse around and warm him up, and spin him and stop him, and made 2 good runs on him. So now I'm going to try it. I gotta be honest, those bighorns made me a little bit nervous. But I got him, thankfully. And that was a big steer right there. This horse freaking got a hold of him, pulled him, never gave back. That steer never pulled him. I bet that steer weighs 650 pounds. This horse did a good job of getting his head, getting him, pulling him. It's a big stout horse, but he got a hold of us too. So I watched Dan run 2 on him, and I just headed 5 steers on Harvey Weinstein. This horse is so good he gets a last name. And we scored 1 steer maybe after we ran 3 or 4, and man, this horse scored so light, just light pressure, and come back and scored the next 2 out a little bit, just held him really light. He stayed flat, ran hard. I feel like this horse could go to almost any level of rope where he has enough run for a higher number guy, staffing up corner, but he's free and honest and doesn't try to get tight at all. I feel like a lower number guy could ride this horse super gentle, 5 years old. This horse was enjoyable to ride around and to rope. So good. Coming out of the box, and then this a little bit stiff right through the corner. He wants to be a little bit stiff. I think it's his bridle, solid port. It doesn't feel like I can kind of get his nose very good, but I roped his front foot on one. He never panicked or never did anything wrong. Pretty gentle, easy to ride. Had a really smooth stop on it on the heel, a couple more of them. So far, it's enjoyable. like this is a nice horse, a good-minded horse, really gentle. I like him, but he still needs a lot of work to heel on. I love heading on him. Going to make an amazing heel horse. If someone wants something like that, you can head heel on. Everybody needs someone that can work with him and finish.
Like 3 hops.